In this video, we're going to walk through how you can use your smart wallet to create and control a on-chain profile. We will use that profile to create an NFT 2.0 drop with its own customized drop page. We will set the collection data, the creators, royalty settings, and more all on-chain. Then we're going to mint one of our just created NFTs, all without worrying about gas fees, browser extensions, or complicated UIs. Let's get started. We're going to click the sign in button and select the smart wallet. I've already created a new smart wallet, so all I have to do is sign this message to continue. If you sign up for the first time, a new smart wallet will be created on the fly. In this case, I've already created a universal profile for this smart wallet, but for the sake of this demo, I'm going to create another one just to showcase the onboarding experience when you just try it out for the very first time. So while I'm setting up this profile, let's quickly discuss what a universal profile is. It's not a regular profile, instead it's a platform-independent smart contract-based account, also known as an on-chain profile. Some of the cool features it offers includes unlimited on-chain data storage, which can be used for the profile information, as well as additional standards like referencing the creations of that profile, social protocols, or any other features that people can think of. The profiles can have multiple controllers. In this case, I'm going to use my smart wallet to control the profile. But I can also add other wallets, use my email and password, or give apps partial control. It comes with very flexible permission settings and it gives full control to the owner. On-chain profiles make blockchains more social and can serve as a decentralized identity system that allows for building an on-chain reputation. They abstract away gas fees, offer easy profile recovery, and eliminate the need to worry about private keys and seed phrases. As you can see, all on-chain transactions work very seamlessly with the smart wallet. Now that I created this new universal profile, I can go ahead and sign in with this one and start my NFT drop. I'm giving my project a name. I can choose for LSP7, sometimes referred to as editions, or the LSP8 standard, which is meant for collections with all unique items. Next, I can go ahead and customize my drop page. And while I'm doing that, let's take a quick moment to discuss the NFT standards that will be used. The smart contract that we will deploy is using the LSP8 standard, a new NFT standard created by the same person who also made the very famous ERC20 standard and the ERC725. This also extends the ERC725Y standard just like a universal profile, meaning it can dynamically store data on the smart contract level, on-chain. It will be used for metadata describing the collection, but also referencing the creators on-chain. They are very flexible. They can also work very nicely together with universal profiles because they inform the profile upon transfer, allowing the profile to react on incoming assets. This makes it possible to add custom logic to prevent receiving spam tokens or send them directly to a separate vault. Now, we've made this LSP8 compatible with the ERC721 because that's what most platforms support. But it also has these additional features on top of it, turning them into something that's also being referred to as NFTs 2.0. Now, it looks like my drop page is starting to look good. I can add different types of sections. I can provide all the information about my drop on this page. Now, let's continue, hit the save button, and move on to the next step. All right, on this step, we see some instructions on how to upload our content to IPFS. The instructions will explain that our tool will convert any OpenSea standards to also support the new LSP4 metadata standards. Then we just need to drag and drop the folder here so that it can process it and upload the final token metadata JSON files to IPFS. After that, we can set the token placeholder. This placeholder will be shown until the creator decides to reveal the collection, at which point everyone will receive their unique images and metadata. Great, now we can deploy the smart contract. Be careful about the name and symbol because these are the only values that cannot be changed later. We confirm the transaction again with our smart wallet, so our profile can deploy the NFT smart contract to the Base blockchain. In this case, we deployed to Base Sepolia, the testnet. Next, we can set the metadata of the collection itself. It will be uploaded to IPFS and referenced directly on the smart contract level. Unlike other collections that have their information on a centralized marketplace, here we have it all on-chain, so everyone building on top of it has access to the same information. In this step, it's essential that we set the creator on-chain. Just like with traditional art, the creator's reputation is a crucial part of the creation itself. Therefore, we should store this information on-chain. Additionally, with universal profiles, creators can link their creations from their on-chain profile, creating a two-way on-chain reference, and this reference can be used to verify, to authenticate, and to allow creators to build up an on-chain reputation. And here, we set the royalty settings also to be stored on-chain in the smart contract data storage. They are highly flexible and can include unlimited addresses, each with their own percentage. What's great is that creators can set the royalties to either strict or loose. By default, they are set to loose, meaning that the royalties are only enforced when the seller is making a profit. When they sell at a loss, no royalties will be enforced. We put the creators in full control, but we give them more options for different types of royalty settings. Now, before we continue, let's go back to the asset preview page. Here we see a quick action that will initiate a transaction to add this asset to our list of issued assets inside our on-chain profile. Since we just also added our profile address to the NFT contract, this will establish that two-way on-chain verification that every next generation NFT should have. We can now continue and create different phases for our drop and specify the mint price, the limit of the mints per profile, or set an allow list of profile addresses that are allowed to mint in this phase. You can import the list of addresses manually, import a CSV file, or even take a snapshot to collect the addresses of holders of a specific asset. For this demo, I will keep it simple and create a single phase with a free mint with a limit of 2 mints per profile. We have now reached our final step. This is the launch dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of everything related to your drop. Here, you can start the phase, review your collection, and collect revenue. You can also view analytics related to your drop and see who has minted your work. Now, let's start our phase and make our drop page available to the public. Our fairy-based AI sneaker drop is now live. You can see a countdown timer showing that it will go live in like 2 minutes, and it offers a free mint. So our beautiful drop page shows all the information, and once it's live, there will be a limit of 2 mints per person. Additionally, in the top left corner, you can click and view all the on-chain collection details, including the metadata, the creators, the royalties, the different phases, and the amounts that have been minted so far. Clicking on the name will take you to the collection page where you can see the specified metadata. And here we can see that as the creator, we have verified this collection on chain. Now, let's wait for the drop to go live and mint 2 of these bad boys. All right, let's go. I will select 2 items to mint and confirm the selection with my smart wallet. There is no need to pay for gas fees. Users can come to my drop page and they can use a smart wallet or sign in with email. In both cases, they do not need to pay any gas fees. This means that they can mint these free NFTs without even owning any tokens. Now we see confetti everywhere, and that's because we have something to celebrate, as we have successfully created our own NFT 2.0 drop and minted 2 items, all without hassle, without worrying about gas fees or tokens or installing a browser extension or downloading a mobile app. This has been a seamless Web2 user experience, all while we are performing a lot of on-chain activities. There's only one last thing left to do, and that is the review. To replace the placeholder metadata, we have to confirm one more transaction to reveal our collection. These tokens are ERC-721 compatible, so they are also discoverable and tradable on other marketplaces and platforms. However, Universal Page is the social marketplace and easiest place to trade these NFTs with others. It only supports NFT 2.0 and on-chain profiles, and you can find more at universal.page. Now, it looked like our collection has been revealed, and these NFTs look awesome. I can put them up for sale, but they look so good, I think I will hodl them. This is still on Base Apolia, but it's launching on Base mainnet, so every creator out there can create and launch Base NFTs 2.0. Our drop editor also allows for the creation of editions, which is even simpler to create and can also fully be done from within our editor. No technical knowledge is required. And here we can see in our launch dashboard that we can also see who has minted our work. And this allows creators to connect with their audience. And since we're using on-chain profiles, we're not just looking at random public keys of wallets. And that's it. That's our demo. Check out universal.page and follow us on Twitter or join our Discord. We're doing everything we can to make digital ownership accessible for everybody. And we have a heavy focus on creators. So reach out to me if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.